Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you some things about this very nice and compact LED bulb from LEDVANCE, and then I will show you the turning on of this bulb. So we have here this LED bulb and also the box from this bulb. The base of this bulb is E27, and as you can see, so we have here this white plastic cover, and I think that under this white plastic cover we have aluminum body with electronic driver, and we have here also this second plastic cover, but this one is transparent, as you can see. And under this transparent plastic cover we have these yellow SMD chips, and these SMDs are coated with this yellow phosphor layer. This yellow phosphor layer converts blue light into white light with specific color temperature and color rendering. These SMDs are around this LED bulb, and we have also 4 SMDs on top of this bulb. So the beam angle is 360 degrees. This is very good. As you can see, so this LED bulb has 7 watts, but it's bright like classic incandescent light bulb with 60 watts with 806 lumen. So we will have bright light and also very nice warm white light, because this light has 2700 Kelvin, as you can see here. The color rendering index, I mean RA, is 80 from 100, so RA is good. This LED bulb is also dimmable. The nominal lifespan is 15,000 hours with 100,000 switching cycles. And IP is 20. IP is International Protection. This first number, 2, is the level of protection from other objects and from sand. And this second number, 0, is the level of protection from water. So this LED bulb has 0 protection from the water. And this means that this LED bulb is especially for indoor use, and you will need some enclosed luminaire for outdoor use. Okay, and now I will show you the turning on of this very nice and compact LED bulb. So let's do it. As I said before, and as you can see, so we have bright and very nice warm white light. I love it. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and bye.